I'm staying at a hostel in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and it has a kitchen that's available for use. They supplied the guests with all kinds of stuff, so I'm rummaging through the cabinets and I found some pans and stuff. In one of the drawers, I found a can of Goya black beans, so I guess that's what I'm having for dinner. I mean, it's free and it's in a can, so what am I supposed to do? They have a sort of countertop mini stove, and so I'm just gonna heat the beans up on a pan on that. I guess that's a good temperature for beans. And at the same time, I'm going to cook the rice. Now, this place doesn't have a rice cooker, but I read that you could put it in one pan with water and then just sort of cover up the pan. So I'm going to try that. So here's the rice in this bag called Sello Rojo. Not sure if that's too much or too little, but I think it's too little, so adding a little more. And there, that's kind of like covering the pan. They don't have any other kind of cover I could find, so that will have to do. Just gonna stir the beans around a little bit. I think it's coming along okay. It's not exactly the fine cuisine people usually associate with beautiful islands like Puerto Rico. I think it's an island. But I'm doing my best on a budget. Rice is almost ready. Let's just cover it back up. So fluffy. Yeah, now I think the rice is ready. Now just gonna toss it into this Ibero-American style plate. And adding the black beans to it. Going to season it with a little garlic powder. Okay, maybe a little too much garlic powder. And adding a little black pepper as well. And now time to eat. This hostel has a nice rooftop sitting area. And this food looks and smells delicious. It's probably low in calories too. Absolutely delicious.